In today's video, I am going to teach you how to adjust Google Meet volume for beginners. When you are in a Google Meet call, there are two main places you can adjust volume. One is on your computer, using the volume control on your desktop taskbar. The other is directly on your headset or your external speakers. The important thing to remember is that volume changes affect what you hear from the meeting, not what other people hear from you. First, look down at your desktop taskbar. This is the bar along the bottom edge of your screen on most computers, where you usually see the time and a few small icons. Find the speaker or volume icon. It typically looks like a small speaker with sound waves. Select that volume icon. A small volume slider should appear. Move the slider up to make the meeting louder, or move it down to make it quieter. Make small changes and listen as you adjust, so you can find a comfortable level without making it too loud. If you are wearing headphones, you may want a lower setting than you would use with built-in speakers. Also keep in mind that some computers allow you to change the volume quickly using keyboard keys. If your keyboard has volume up and volume down keys, those can adjust the same system volume you control from the taskbar. Next, you can also adjust the volume on your headset or speakers. Many headsets have physical buttons or a small wheel on the ear cup or along the cable. Some speakers have a knob on the front or side. Use those controls to raise or lower the sound. This can be especially helpful if your computer volume is already set where you like it for other apps, but you want the meeting to be slightly louder or quieter. For example, if you are connected to a headset, the headset volume controls may work best, and your speakers may not affect what you hear. Once you have the volume set at a comfortable level, continue your Google Meet call as normal. And that is all there is to it.